Guys, this is Emperor's Throne. I got the 3 and I'm betting $3. 5 cents. I don't have any more money. Hopefully, I can get a big one. Come on, make us rich. Come on, make us rich, please. I need it so badly. Come on, anything. Alright. We're gonna accept that one. Come on. We need a lot of like that. Okay, times 5. Alright, alright. Come on, more money. Okay. That's already $5. I don't know. Come on, because oh, alright. Come on. Okay. I love the major. Come on. Give us the major. Alright. Oh, that's good. Alright. Nice, nice, nice. More multiplier. We need it. Oh, nice, 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 nice. Oh my goodness. More money. We need a lot of money. Okay. Come on. We need a lot of money. Oh no. Come on, money. Oh. Come on, gold, gold. Yes, times 4. Nice. And that one is only $7.50. So it's already 150 already, I think. Because it's a 5 cents. So we need either, you know, this one. We need the gold coins. Oh, come on. Oh no, last spin. Please, make it happen. I think. Yes. Oh my god. Oh my god. Make it more money. Come on. Come on, please. Oh, last spin. Save the day. Save, save. Oh no, it didn't save. Oh my god. I don't know how much. Oh, $200. Oh my god. Thank God. Money back. I'm happy with that. I just lost $100 because I put 300 in here. So that's it. I opened the 3. It's a big win. Thank you guys.